Number talks are morning routines that teachers use during math. Students use mental math to solve a problem. Teachers put a problem on the board, whether it's in regards to multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, whatever is appropriate to the grade level. Once the problem's on the board, you give students wait time to think about an answer to the problem. Once you have given sufficient amount of time, you then ask students if they would like to place an answer on the board. After that, you ask students to respectfully disagree or to support one of the answers. It is a really great tool to use during math because it shows students that there may be more than one way to solve an answer. It also shows students how to debate respectfully with one another when they don't agree upon an answer. The following video clip that I have provided is in a 3rd grade math class. I hope you enjoy it. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, this morning our number talk is going to be 49 plus 72. When you have an answer, I want you to show me and try and challenge yourself to see if you can find it 2 ways or maybe even 3 ways. So take a minute to think about the question. A lot of people thinking about this, taking their time. All right, does anybody have an answer that they would like to put on the board? Aiden?
121.
121, and I see a lot of friends are agreeing with you. Did anybody find a different answer? Thank you, Aiden. Everyone found that answer. Did you find a different answer? Okay, so if I call on you, I'm hoping that you'll be able to support the answer 121. Would anybody like to respectfully agree with the answer? Corey?
I want to respectfully agree with 21 because 121 because 70 plus 40 equals like 110. 111. 120. Okay, 110. I said that.
Can you tell me one more time? 70 plus 40 equals
110. And then 2 plus 9 equals 11. And 110 plus 11 equals 121.
So right there, with his explanation, we were able to see that the answer is 121. Thank you so much, Corey, for explaining clearly what you were thinking. Does anybody have a different strategy or a different way to get to the answer 121? Jace?
On the number line. So I started with 72 because if we use the low number, then it takes us so long to get to our answer. So when I took apart the 49 to 49, I added 40. And then that would be 2 because 40 plus 70 would equal 110 plus 2 would equal 112.
So I have a question for you. You said originally 72 plus 40 was 102. But then you said 70 plus 40 is 110, plus 2 more is 112. So is it 112 or 102?
112.
Okay.
And then 112 plus 9 would equal 121.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate how you explained that you broke apart the 49 into the tens and the ones place. Awesome. Does anyone have a different strategy? Naeem?
Tens and ones.
Tell me about tens and ones.
So you put 4 tens.
Are you talking about a picture that you made, or are you talking about numbers?
Like
the base 10 blocks?
Yeah.
Okay. So you said put 4 tens.
9 ones. And then you add 2 to the ones.
Why would you add 2 to the ones?
Because you always start with the ones first.
And where did you pull that 2 from?
The 70.
The 70?
72.
The 72. So you're looking at the 72 and you said, okay, I need to add 2 more.
And then add 70 to the 40.
And add 70, 71, 70 tens.
70 tens to the 40.
So you want me to make 70 tens? This is 4 tens. Do you want me to make 70 tens?
7 tens.
7 tens.
And then you have 110. Then you have 11. So 11 plus 110 equals 121.
Beautiful, Naeem. Thank you so much for talking that through with me. Aiden.
I made a friendly number.
You made a friendly number. Tell me what that means to you.
So I picked the 70 and I put it as a 7. I put the 72 and I minus 2 so I can make it a friendly number. So 72 minus 2 equals 70. So and then you had to do 70 plus 49. That's 119. But and then you had to do 19 plus 2 equals 21. 121.
Why did you add a 2 back in?
Because I subtracted 2 to make it a friendly number, and that's the number that you have to add.
Beautiful. So he didn't know 72 plus 49 off the top of his head. I don't know that either. But he knew if he subtracted 2, he would get 70. And in his head, he could mentally do 70 plus 49. But since he took away that 2, he needed to make sure he added it back in to get his original problem. Thank you so much, Aiden. Let's get one more strategy. Ainsley?
I did 49 plus 72. I did 9 and the 2, which was 11. And then I added the 4, the 4, and the 7.
Where is there a 4 and a 7?
The 40 and the 70. And I got 110. Is that the same way as Corey's? After that, I knew the 9 and the 2 was 11, and the 7 and the 4 was 11. But I took away the 10, and then I added 110 plus 11. It was 121.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. And Aiden had a question. He said that looks the same like what Corey did. Did you use a similar strategy? But instead of starting with the 10s, you decided to start with the 1s? Awesome. So look at all the different strategies we used, okay, to solve one problem. All the different strategies we used to solve one problem. There's many different ways to get to this answer, and I am so proud of you all for thinking through it. I think you did a great job. I want you to give yourself a silent cheer. Okay, and we are going to move on with the rest of math class. Thank you.